Did you know you can easily darken only the blue in the sky? You just have to use a polarizer. Now let's have a look and see what that might look like in your shot. So here we have a clear blue sky, not a cloud in sight. It looks great. But with the polarizer on and rotated to just the right amount, the blue gets much darker. Also, we get a benefit here, and you can see that this is actually much warmer, so it saturates colors as well. So there's the before, which looked great to begin with. There's the after. Once you see a better shot, a better version of a shot, it's hard to go back and see that as you originally did. So how do they work? They're really quite simple. You screw them on. They are circular in nature, so you'll see it says CPL, which means circular polarizer. You screw it onto the front of your lens and you rotate it until you get the desired result. So you can easily darken only the blue in the sky by just using a polarizer. I hope this gets you off to a good start.